Good morning, students. Today we are going to start new chapter 7, Kolkata. So, children, open page number 36 and chapter name Kolkata. In this chapter, we will learn about location and climate of Kolkata, culture and traditions of Kolkata, and transport. So, let's start the class. First is location and climate. Kolkata is the capital of West Bengal. Capital of West Bengal. It is located in the eastern part of India. It is located in eastern part of India. The city is situated on the banks of the Hooghly River. It was formerly called Calcutta. Its name was changed to Kolkata in 2001. First name was Calcutta and name was changed to Kolkata in 2001. Yes. Kolkata experiences hot and humid summer, while its winter are moderately cold. It receives rainfall in the months of June, July, August, and September. This is the picture of rainfall. This image is showing the culture of Kolkata. This image. Mostly people in Kolkata speak Bengali, English, and Hindi. Most of the festival celebrated in India, such as Diwali, Christmas, Eid, and Holi, are celebrated in Kolkata as well. Durga Puja is the most popular festival in Kolkata. This is the picture of Durga Puja. This is the picture of Durga Puja. Huge pandals are set up in many parts of the city to worship goddess Durga. The city is famous for many art forms such as singing, dance, theatre, and painting. Rabindra Sangeet is very popular in Kolkata. Football and cricket are two of the famous sports played in the city. Famous sweets are Rasagulla, Misti Dahi, and Sandesh. Next is transport. Kolkata was the first Indian city to have an underground metro railway system. The main railway station is Howrah Station. Main station is Howrah Station. This is the picture of railway station, and you can see here Howrah Bridge. This one, Howrah Bridge. This is the picture of railway station, and this one, Howrah Bridge. Main railway station is Howrah station. The main airport is Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose International Airport. This one. This one. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose International Airport. The main port in Kolkata is Diamond Harbour. This one. Main port. This is the main port. Name is Diamond Harbour. It is situated on the Hooghly River. Inland waterways also connect Kolkata to a few places. Terms are used by the people of Kolkata. This is terms. Look like a train. You can see this is the pictures of Kolkata. This is the pictures of terms. In next video, we will learn about places of tourist attraction and industries of Kolkata and government office. Thank you.